Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. Today guys, I will be changing my front brake caliper with a set of WIlwood 4 piston performance brake pad. Let's get right into it. So in this video, this is what I'll be putting on to the 8th gen Civic SI to put this blade, and we're just gonna replace these guys. So let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is remove these factory calipers, and it uses 17 mil. It's 2 of them, so let's knock that out. Both sides off, I would recommend putting on the new calipers first before you remove these brake line. Eventually you have to bleed the system, but it minimizes the brake fluid spill. So let's put the new calipers on. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite on the 17 mils. Guys, so we ran into just a small hiccup, but I figured it out. If you try to fit the WIlwood over this caliper or rotor, it doesn't fit because the stock SI brake is bigger, so the brake caliper and the rotor is bigger. So what I did, I went and I got a regular 8th gen Civic rotor. So with the regular rotor, this caliper will fit there. Regular rotor. So if you're having that issue, you definitely have to get a 262 millimeter rotor for this WIlwood brake kit to fit it. See, it fit the regular 8th gen Civic, like the EX. Doesn't fit the OE SI. So let's change this rotor.
Keep that beat going crazy.
So here's how I'm putting on the WIlwood caliper. After you put on your brake rotor, I just put back these bolts in or screw. Then what I do, these are 19mm that came in the WIlwood kit, so I'm gonna use these and put on the caliper. Next, I'm going to install the brake pads. And normally you check for even space between the calipers and the rotor, but these fit perfectly. The kit came with shims in case you need to move the rotor left or right. So but these fit perfectly. So let's see.
I see you doing mechanical work. Are you a mechanic by trade?
Nah.
I had something that I needed done, and I like to help the little guy, not the big guy.
Oh, nah.
I see you. I do all the nasty.
I do. I'm a DIY. You know, I do it myself. You know. Yeah. Okay.
I like to help the little guy. I'd
Okay.
rather take it to you than to God.
Okay. All right.
So when I see you there, I said, well, let me ask you.
All right. Thanks for asking. Next, you're going to take this brake line of the factory caliper and you're going to install it on the back of the WIlwood. You will have to use the provided bolt and crush washers. So let's do that next. This bolt is a 16 or 17 mil. It is a it's used as 17 millimeter. guys, that's how you install a WIlwood brake kit. Next thing I'm going to do is just bleed it, and then we're good to go. That's the install right there. Turns out real good. I had to get some wheel spacers for now for the WIlwood brake kit to clear the factory wheels. So until I get some wheels, I have to run the spacer on it. So if you had found any information from this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.